Hello friends, today I will show you how to change root password or UNIX password in Kali Linux terminal. Okay, without wasting time, let's start. First you have to open the terminal, then type sudo space passwd space root, then press enter. Then there will appear sudo password for aryan. Then you have to type your user password. Okay, I will type my user password. Then press enter. Then there will appear enter new UNIX password. Then you have to type a password which you want to set for your root password. Okay, I will set my password. Then press enter. There will appear retype new UNIX password. Then you have to write that password which you written before. Okay, I will write my password. Then press enter. It will appear password updated successfully. Your password was updated. Now we have to check our password. Then write SU, enter. Yes, password. Then write that password. You have to set that. Press enter. Yes, it's open. Then your password was successfully set, updated. Okay, thanks for watching this. If you like this video, then press the like button and subscribe my channel TechnoChamp for more updates. Thank you.